red car. Zoom, zoom.
Oh snap! That nail just ruined the ride.
Whoa, the car totally lost control. Just one nail, and it went wild on the road.
Good thing the tow truck's here to help. It's rescue time.
Tow truck to the rescue. That car's going to the tire hospital.
Let's hope the mechanics can find the right match. Some tires just don't get along.
Yeah, one wrong fit and it'll be wobbling like a jelly again.
Now let's see which tire fits the car properly. This might take a few tries.
Here comes the first tire.
Uh-oh, not a match.
All right, time for tire number 2.
Nope, still not fitting.
Okay, let's try the third one.
Close, but still not quite right.
Come on, number 4.
Yes, perfect fit. That's the one. Now it's ready to roll again.
And off it goes.
Like, share, comment, subscribe to QTP Learn and Fun.